They told you start a business if you want to be rich. But what if I told you that advice is making most young people broke? In your 20s, you're being sold this dream. Quit your job. Start a brand. Be your own boss. Drive a Tesla by 25. But here's the truth. Most 20-year-olds don't need a business. They need money skills. If you actually want to be rich in your 20s, you don't start a business. You start with leverage, habits, and assets. Let me explain. Welcome back to Finance Clarity, where we turn confusing money advice into clear, practical strategies. Today, we're breaking the myth of start a business early, because if you follow it blindly, it could delay your financial freedom by years. So grab a coffee, hit subscribe, and let's get real about how to actually get rich in your 20s. Part 1. The harsh truth about starting a business. Let's start with some facts. Over 90% of businesses fail within 5 years. And that is not because people aren't smart, it is because business is brutal. Most 20-year-olds start without experience, capital, or cash flow. You end up spending your savings on logos, websites, ads, and months later, you're back at zero. Starting a business is like jumping into the deep end before you've learned to swim. And yes, a few people make it, but most drown financially before they even get started. Here's what you actually should do first. Build your financial foundation, because you can't scale chaos. Part 2. The real way to build wealth in your 20s. If you want to be rich in your 20s, you need 3 things: skills, savings, and smart money habits. Develop high-income skills. Instead of building a business, build you. Learn skills like marketing, sales, design, video editing, or coding. These are income multipliers. They give you power to earn anywhere, anytime. Save aggressively and invest early. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% investments. Start with index funds, ETFs, or even a Roth IRA, because the earlier you start, the longer your money compounds. Example, if you invest just $300 a month from age 22, you could have over $1 million by age 60. That's not magic, that's math. Work for someone successful. Here's the secret nobody tells you. The fastest way to learn business is to work inside one. Find a small company. Learn how money flows, how clients are handled, how products are built. Then, when you eventually start your own business, you're playing chess, not checkers. Part 3. Why get rich quick culture is a trap. Social media has made business look easy. You see 21-year-olds claiming they made 6 figures in a month. But what you don't see, the debt, the burnout, and the failed attempts before that. We're living in the age of instant validation, but wealth doesn't come instantly. It comes from consistency. If you build strong money habits now, saving, investing, learning, you'll have financial power before 30. But if you chase shiny business ideas without understanding money, you'll just keep restarting from zero. Part 4. When you should start a business. Now don't get me wrong, starting a business is powerful, but timing matters. The best time to start a business is when you already have leverage. That means you've built skills people will pay for. You have at least 6 to 12 months of expenses saved. You understand how cash flow, taxes, and marketing actually work. Then, and only then, your business becomes a wealth engine instead of a gamble. Start small, freelance, consult, sell one product. Let your business grow from your skills, not from desperation. So, if you're in your 20s, remember this: don't chase business, chase leverage. Build yourself first, and money will follow. Your 20s are for learning how to earn, save, invest, and build credibility. Your 30s are for scaling it into freedom. That's how you truly get rich without luck, talent, or a trust fund. If you found this eye-opening, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because every week, we drop more real-world money lessons that schools never teach. What's your biggest money goal for your 20s? Let's talk about it. And remember, it's not about starting fast, it's about starting smart.